Hello. Thanks so much for dropping in. I'm uh, I'm getting there. I have fallen ill. I have. Ugh. And that has kept me ugh, from recording, which pesters me because I was really on a tear. Ugh. I was. Ugh. So anyway, I've been looking through some things here, and indeed, I've got some medicines that are perhaps never going to be used, perhaps. Although, well, I've got all these similar things. What is this? Benylin, allergies, and sinus. Oh, there's some more. Allergies and sinus. Fever and pain. Yeah. What's this? Cough and cold for kids. Yeah, it's funny. They have some expiry dates on some things. Probably on most. Anyway, there's some of this stuff here that Andrew has definitely rejected. Regular strength, wild berry. Cough and chest congestion. Isn't that lovely? You know? Great. Some of the little, there we go. Some of the little insert stuff is there. Anyway, what I basically have is a cough and chest congestion. So perhaps it is time to take some of this. I think there's not a whole bunch, and of course, I will carefully measure it according to the instructions. If I could only read them. Somewhere in here, I know I have some reading glasses. I think they're in my Star Wars bucket here. At least they were. At least I thought they were. Well, maybe they are. Maybe these will help. Excuse me. What does it say? Do not use in children under 12. All right. Dose. 2 teaspoons every 6 hours, maximum 8. Da, da, da. Do not use this product to lung disease, asthma, da, da. I am not pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not exceed recommended dosage. La 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 la. Significant incompatibilities and drug interactions. A physician or pharmacist should be consulted prior to taking this medication if you are taking a drug for depression, including MOA inhibitor drugs. Yes, so 2 Teaspoon. TSP, is that a table or a teaspoon? That's a fine question. Well, oh, is this going to make me sleepy? Do not use or seal as, yeah. Added sweeteners. Well, yeah. As I said, I will carefully. Oh, hang on, I was going to shake that up a bit. I will carefully make sure to follow the exact dosing instructions. Regular strength. Wild berry. All right. So as you can see, I have my spoon ready. Mmm. Mmm. Indeed. Carefully. And then I'm going to put this crud back. And this bottle is done. Done. I do not like taking tons of medication. But things happen. Now, while I'm here, of course, I have a box of things. Because everything's in a box. But while I have this here, I will just look and see. Benadryl. Allergies. Maybe I'll keep that out. Maybe. Anyway, everything is in a box of some sort somewhere. The hell is that? I have no clue. What's this? Clear action. Blackhead clearing. Oh. That might be handy. And this stuff, I think this can is done, so I'll get rid of that. But I could probably combine some of these box things, because I have other boxes that are here that have stuff in them. Vitamin C, COVID tests. What is this stuff? Cleanse, moisturize, and soothe for small noses. Natural sinus relief. Interesting. My nose has been pestering me, even though it may not be that small. I think maybe. Oh, there's some Axe. Lovely. There's some Tylenol kid stuff. Maybe that's had enough. Well, I did have these boxes kind of in the piles. I think maybe, because we'd really done well at avoiding stuff until now. Let me just look at this. Yeah, that's... And from what I understand, if you show up at your pharmacy with unused medications and things, that they have some way of being rid of them. So they say. Let's look in here. Ugh. Oh, grape. Anyway, I'm intrigued by this thing. I've never looked at it. But maybe it will help. My cleanse, moisturize, and soothe. Gentle saline mist for small noses. Yeah, it sprays. I don't think I want to try that yet. I don't think so. By the way, did I show you this cool lighter? I have to look up. It does a good spark, but I have to look up how to do anything else with it. It does seem to have this very large, like, reservoir thing in the bottom, but I think maybe from the thing, there are these, I think, butane things you can kind of stick onto things. And it's funny, it must be a gas thing, because I don't see any wick thing here. But boy, it sparks nice. Alright. So, soon, I hope to be back recording things. I've got to look over a Silver Label 64. And, oh, I was shining up this hat because I wanted to go to this art thing. Well, of course, as luck would have it. And this hat did come out pretty nice. I'll do more on it. In these days of, if you're sick, stay home, I got sick just before this art thing, so I didn't go, which was too bad because I had been looking forward to going for, I don't know, 8 or 9 months. But as it happens, tomorrow, this was not the opening, this was like the pre-opening and a special dinner, etc. Anyway, tomorrow in the afternoon is the opening. So I'll see how I'm feeling. But once again, I'm that whole thing of if you're sick, stay home. I still don't feel perfect by any means. So, but I guess the show will continue for, I think, about a month. So I suspect there'll be some time or another that I can get down there. I think this stuff here, by the way, this children's cough stuff, I should get my glasses back on. It's stuff that Andrew has rejected. It has a bit, it's grape, but its texture is different than other things. Do not use 6 to 12. Well, we'll have to look and see. This may be very similar to what I just took. It just may be at a smaller dose thing. But how do I tell? I don't know. Anyway, I'm suspecting what I'll end up doing is hanging on to this stuff, and maybe over the next days or so, I might, even though it's the children's stuff, I might just say, what the heck. I might. Ugh. Anyway, thanks for being here. Sorry I've been off the air, but I've been pretty miserable. So I think I will sort some more medications and carry on with things here. And maybe I don't know. I mean, even just getting ready for this, I'm exhausted. So maybe what I'll do is
that was easy.
Maybe I'll sort through medications, see what's what, and then maybe this stuff that I just took ever so carefully measured, maybe it'll help me get some sleep. Anyway, thanks for being here. I will get back into the game of recording and going through stuff soon. I will. I think. So. Oh, until we meet again. Bye for now.